Hi there, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to talk about our temperature and relative humidity portable meter. This is probably the best instrument to measure it in the open field or in the greenhouse. The great thing about this instrument is that it's very accurate and that it's made from rugged material. Means it's very strong and it can perfectly withstand the greenhouse environment. Another great feature of this machine is that you're able to connect other sensors too. So this temperature sensor, for example, measures directly in water, soil or any other substrate. When you connect it, the machine recognizes the sensor, so you only need one machine for multiple sensors. Another two cool features of this machine is the min-max measurement and the relative measurement. The min-max measurement basically means that it automatically saves the lowest and highest value measured. Then the relative measurement. It measures the difference between the starting point and the moment that you are measuring. It's possible to calibrate the machine yourself with the calibration solutions, but we can also do it for you because we have our own service department and we are happy to help you. Do you have questions after this video or do you just want some more information? Please contact us. Thank you for watching and see you next time.